Allie of Cakes by Tori Elizabeth, and I have my mom here. Her name is Tori also. We're both Tori. And today we're going to be decorating two of the same kind of cakes, except I'm going to be blindfolded and she's not. And we're going to see whose comes out better. So let's do it. You got it, right? You can start.
Okay. I don't have any experience making cakes, and Allie has all the experience in the world.
Oh my gosh.
So,
you have everything you need, right? All your stuff? Okay, go.
just explain everything.
First, unwrap your cake. Oh my gosh. I feel like the hardest part is going to be leveling it out. This is the part that I've been worried about, is leveling out the cake, because I can't see what I'm doing. I don't know if it's level or not. Watch me just drop it on the floor.
I'll help her.
Are you
Here,
ready?
you can level it with this.
No, you can't help me.
Okay.
Okay, no, you go and I go, okay?
Okay.
I don't hear you going. Go get your knife and level it up, okay?
I've never leveled before.
It's also a race, surprise.
I didn't know that.
Oh, I didn't know.
No.
Oh, I'm supposed to put gloves on. So whatever. No one's gonna eat this cake, guys. Don't worry. My hands are gonna be all up in
I
it.
think mine is pretty straight, actually.
No one's gonna eat this cake. So
Okay.
usually I'll have gloves on. You don't need to wait for me.
But I do.
No, I'm not. Okay. Is that level?
Oh,
Tell me how good I'm doing.
you're doing great. Oh.
I'm gonna see if it's sent. Oh, gross! I just put my hand in the
I know,
cake.
you're already losing.
How are you doing over there?
Oh, I'm doing fantastic.
Dude, I feel like this was a lot, like in my brain, this was going to be a lot easier. Where's my next?
Oh, you're going to have to find it.
Okay. Oh, I think I cut way too much off. I can feel
Oh, it
it.
looks good. It looks
I can
fantastic.
feel it.
Don't worry, it looks good. No, Allie, oh my goodness, that looks great.
How's yours going? So normally in between the layers I'd put filling, but I feel like that would be like way too difficult. So we're just doing buttercream. Easy.
Easy.
Are you already on to icing, or are you still filling it?
I'm icing.
Oh no! Oh my gosh, this isn't my knife! And you're not even blindfolded. Alrighty, how are we doing here? Feels a little bit wonky. Now, let's face it. I'm gonna be elbowing you, sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. See, this is the part that I feel comfortable with. This is the part that I was talking about as muscle memory. Oh, how long have you been making cakes for?
Seriously though, I do have a question.
What?
There's like space between my two cakes. Should there be?
Like in between the layers?
Yeah.
Just kind of put some buttercream there. Which is like, the until wasn't cut off enough probably. Oh, gross. I feel it in my hands. Oh, shoot, I put my hand in the bowl. I don't want to be stealing your things. This is mine, right? I'm probably going to have to do a couple of crumb coats before it's ready. Okay. Sorry, this is weird. Oh, here we go.
Oh gosh. That looks really good, Allie. You're doing great. Yes. Keep it up.
Are you done?
No, I don't even. I need.
So after we finish the crumb coat, you just need to put your cake in the fridge to chill for a little bit. Okay, I think I'm gonna call this one done as soon as I finish this scrape. All the dirty icing. Oh! It
was nice and perfect, and now it's not. Considering you messed up mine.
So I give you a tip and a trick.
Yes, yes.
If you keep your spatula straight, then your cake will stay straight. If you bend your spatula, your cake's gonna turn. Perfect.
Really?
Yeah. Scrape the side, throw it in the freezer, good to go. Now we're on to part 2, and you know what it looks like, so you can just go. But basically, we're kind of trying to do looking for my spatula. Rough texture kind of look for the icing. So I'm going to start just on top. I'm going to start on top, and I like to just put a generous amount of buttercream, and then just smooth it kind of roughly. Tell me if that's generous. Does that look generous, Mom?
Maybe give me a little bit more.
And just I like to just keep my spatula still, turn my turntable, and kind of put a little bit of a pressure, and then that hopefully evens out the top. Tell me the color. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you say your experience level is for cake decorating? Like 1 would be never ever decorated a cake in your life, and 10 would be me, obviously.
Okay, so 1. I've made cakes, you bake them at home, you keep them in the pan, you decorate the top. I mean, you ice the top and it looks like, kind of like that.
Oh, snap! I messed up! I forgot the part where you scrape the top. I'm so sorry to interrupt you.
So basically, my cake looks like this.
I'm so sorry. Where's my scraper? I forgot to scrape the top. Which one is the one that says Husky on it? This one?
No, the other one.
No, this is mine. Sorry, go ahead. Anyway, you're a 1.
That would be, a 1 is never, right?
1 is like, I've never made a cake in my life.
So I've made a cake. And one time, I took a class to make a cake. And it's a lot of work.
I'm like elbowing you. Sorry.
It's okay.
Dang, I feel my spatula heavy. Like, I think I have a lot of buttercream on this cake. So, I don't know if mine looks like this. It looks like it's supposed to, but we kind of want the, rough edge on top. So,
actually, yours looks really good.
Promise? Are you lying?
Okay, we're supposed to help each other. The only thing that looks kind of bad is your the plate, the gold plate.
Okay, so I need to scrape it really good.
Yeah.
Okay. How's my rough texture on the top?
It doesn't look that rough. Oh wait, the edges?
Yeah.
It doesn't look that rough. You need more rough
I need
texture.
more on top?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine looks rough texture.
So I'm just going to angle my spatula a little bit more at the top to push it to the top.
Wait, are we making a naked cake?
No. Am I scraping mine off too much?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll stop. We'll stop right about now.
It looks really good though. For being blindfolded, I'm impressed.
Call that good. I'm going to throw it back in the fridge.
Oh, no, take your time.
No rush. Okay. Throw it back in the fridge, and then we can do the final detail. Whoa! That doesn't make a cake. Dang it.
It looks good though. It looks real good.
Oh,
yeah.
Well, the scrape, you want to use this one. I'm talking about the icing. That might have been easier. Don't put your arms so far around here because you can't see. Put it right here. And then twist your board. Leave your spatula there. Twist your board. Bring it all the way around. Because now you can see what you're scraping. You can see what you're doing that way.
Can you see?
No, I can't. I'm going to be touching mine so right now. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so hard.
I should plan this better.
Let's go.
Oh gosh. You're doing great, girl. Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh. Actually, you shouldn't be talking smack about yours.
Now we need to throw some sprinkles on. Y'all are going to think that I can see, but I can just hear. That's how
Ain't nobody thinking you can see.
I just spelled so much. I can hear which one.
Wait, you know which ones they are?
This is the Christmas ones.
How do you know?
I can hear them. I know what they sound like. Okay.
Oh, I think I'm winning. Oh, yeah.
How color. I know these are the pearls, I just can't tell the color.
Okay, those are the silver ones.
Obviously, I can't hear color.
How's that obvious? Oh my goodness!
How is yours looking?
I think mine is
Better?
class act Jack.
Probably.
Except that this is a little mucked up right here. But
Mucked up.
so mucked up.
Okay, Dad, I just need a star.
Wait, is this timed competition?
Yes. Oh, I beat you. I'm just kidding, it's not time.
Okay, listen, seriously, I think I'm going to. What do you do? Auction it off? Or
What is it, giveaway?
giveaway. I'm
Is
going
someone one of these cakes
to do a giveaway.
with my hands all up in them? Let's see, let's see. Oh, I got it on my face. Oh! That's cute.
It is cute.
Not bad.
It is not bad. What if?
Okay, I'm not gonna have my blindfold on anymore to make a star. Should I?
Well, I mean, I think you're just a little jealous.
This is
Mine
done.
So good.
How am I gonna do the star? Fine, you know what? I am gonna do the star blindfolded.
Let's fix
I'm
it.
trying to watch and learn, people. Don't worry, I'll make you one too.
You have your blindfold on still?
Mhm. I can open it! Oh. Does anyone else keep makeup brushes in their cornstarch? Oh, here it is. I hear pearls falling. Oh, are you still working on your cake?
No, my
But you were
cake is
done.
done. I'm trying to figure out my star.
Look, I'm making you a star right now. I just need to find my...
Something's not right.
Ah!
That good thing it was closed.
Yes. Did you grab it? Oh, thank you. Here.
No, I got it. I don't need that. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about it. I've seen some people's Christmas trees. And the problem.
Ta-da!
Good job. Very good.
Oh, cute. Mom!
That's not good.
Cover it up. Cover it up.
No. No,
Put that on the
that's
top.
why I said I've seen some people's Christmas trees.
That's cute. Good job.
Good job.